Hello my beauties, I'm back. It's DonnaReine and I'm here to give you some more tips as you become a very successful wardrobe stylist. And today we're going to talk about stores that you can go to for your free returns and hassle-free returns in a good amount of days as you personal shop for your clients, okay? These places have great customer service, they give you a good amount of days, and they're hassle-free. Okay, now be mindful, don't go into these places buying a whole store then returning the whole store. That's just bad for business, okay? But let's dive into it. Nordstrom. Yes, I love me some Nordstrom. And that includes Nordstrom Rack as well, okay? If you shop at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, they give you a good amount of days. Actually, it says unlimited days, but I like to, hold on to things no more than 30 days, okay? Because as a personal stylist and a personal shopper for your client, when you purchase things, the client has to pay you back, right? Okay, so you don't want to hold on to these things for too long. So they have hassle-free returns, okay? It doesn't matter the amount of days. I always say, again, 90 days, but Nordstrom Rack, perfect for your returns. And they have shoes, accessories, men, women, children. It's just a great go-to place. Amazon. Who doesn't love Amazon? Amazon has free returns for Prime members and you have 30 days. So buy up, buy up. Now also with Amazon, I don't know if you're familiar, but I think they only allow up to 32 items in your cart, maybe 40, but just be mindful of how much you get at one purchase, okay? But it is free returns for up to 30 days. Macy's, that's another great department store. They have free returns up to 30 days. Now with Macy's, be mindful because they do have sometimes final sale items that cannot be returned. However, they have great customer service. So if you have a good relationship with them, sometimes you can call up customer service and they will honor that return if it is a part of a final sale, okay? But just try to stay away from final sale items and you have hassle-free returns for up to 30 days. Revolve, yes, I love Revolve for your high-end pieces, your super cute pieces. They also have free returns for up to 30 days, okay? And make sure your items are unworn. And if you're getting some like gala pieces with gowns, make sure that fancy tag that's on it is still intact, okay? And other than that, it's hassle-free returns for up to 30 days. For my shoe lovers, DSW. Yes, DSW is free returns for up to 30 days. Of course, unworn shoes, all right? So if you're a wardrobe stylist and you pick up some shoes from DSW or basically anywhere where you get shoes and you're using it for like a photo shoot or, just for an event and they don't plan on keeping it, make sure you tape the bottom of those shoes up, okay? Tape them because you want to make sure that you can return them. But again, do not abuse. But if you're personal shopping, they don't like the shoes, no worries, hassle-free returns for them. Anthropologie, yes, I love Anthropologie for my ladies, okay? They have hassle-free returns for 30 days. That's right, 30 days. All right, another one is Bloomingdale's. They have free returns for up to 90 days. Yes, that's a good amount of days. So Bloomingdale's, 90 days. Make sure your tags are intact. If it's a gown, make sure it's unworn and your tags are intact. Shoes unworn, hassle-free, free returns. All right, Dillard's. Hassle-free returns for up to 30 days. Now, with Dillard's though, make sure it's not 65% off because 65% off, you only have 3 days to return. All right, so they don't offer final sale, which is great, but if it's 65% or more, you have 3 days to return. If it's not 65% off, you have 30 days to return, all right? The next store is ASOS. Yes, ASOS gives you free returns within 28 days. All right, Neiman Marcus and Saks, all right, they also have hassle-free returns for up to 30 days as long as it's not final sale, okay? Make sure your items are not final sale, and they offer free returns hassle-free. Okay, J. Crew, Banana Republic, Express, and Gap all offer free returns within 30 days, of course, unworn, tags intact. Okay, I hope this was helpful for my aspiring successful wardrobe stylist. Go out, go shopping, go have fun, pick up some great pieces for your clients, and if they don't like them, keep those tags intact and return them for hassle-free returns.